Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. The amount of sound energy passing each second through unit area is called. Your right answer is intensity. Option A. The traditional harvesting festival celebrated in Assam is. Your right answer is Bohog Bihu. Option B. The top of pistil in a flower is termed as. Your right answer is stigma. Option D. Which of the following is more environmental friendly? Your right answer is burning of charcoal. Option B. The liver oil of fish is rich in. Your right answer is both vitamin D and vitamin A. Option B. Which of the following is not a ozone depleting substance? Your right answer is sodium silicate. Option B. Drag is the name given to frictional forces exerted by what? Your right answer is fluids. Option A. What is the minimum voting age for women in India? Your right answer is 18. Option B. In cricket, who decided a dismissal on the basis of the reply? Your right answer is third umpire. Option C. Poliomyelitis is caused by. Your right answer is virus. Option A. Which of the following is the natural fuel formed deep under the earth from the prehistoric remains of living organisms like plant and animal? Your right answer is fossil fuel. Option A. When sulfuric acid is poured over zinc, which of the following gases is formed? Your right answer is hydrogen. Option A. How many islands are there in Lakshadweep? Your right answer is 36. Option C. Which of the following metal is found free in nature? Your right answer is both gold and platinum. Option A. What is the IUPAC name for acetic acid? Your right answer is ethanoic acid. Option C. Under which of the following parts of the Indian Constitution were Article 36 to 51 listed? Your right answer is directive principle of state policy. Option D. With which of the following sports is the term steeplechase associated? Your right answer is horse racing. Option C. Which of the following is known for tiger reservoir? Your right answer is Mudu Malai. Option C. Which cell present in the retina are sensitive to bright and normal light and gives color sensation? Your right answer is cones or cone shaped cell. Option C. The small blood vessel under our skin are called. Your right answer is capillaries. Option D. The measurement from dash are taken for the spherical lenses according to sign convention. Your right answer is optical center. Option B. Which of the following is the best source of omega-3 fatty acid? Your right answer is sardines. Option B. Which of the following country has agreed to joint border reaction force with Pakistan in 2019? Your right answer is Iran. Option D. Who among the following was a Governor General of India? Your right answer is C. Rajgopalachari. Option B. The government of water molecule from one cell to another depends on. Your right answer is osmotic concentration. The matter that cannot be broken down by chemical reaction into simpler substance is known as. Your right answer is elements. Option A. Which tissue in a plant carry water? Your right answer is xylem. Option B. What is the color of sunlight when scattered by the air molecules in the atmosphere? Your right answer is blue. Option B. Which is the highest literacy award of India? Your right answer is Gyanpitha Award. Option A. Muscle fatigue occur due to accumulation of. Your right answer is lactic acid. Option A. Which of the following salt does not contain water of crystallization? Your right answer is baking soda. Option B. Which of the following is used for dissolution of gold? Your right answer is aqua regia. Option C. If lubricant are used in machine part, how does the movement become? Your right answer is smooth. Option A. Mendeleev periodic law is based on. Your right answer is atomic mass. Option C. Which is the smallest muscles in the human body? Your right answer is stapedius. Option B. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Your right answer is stapedius bone. Stirrup bones. When is World Wetland Day celebrated? Your right answer is February 2, 2nd February. Option D. Scattering of glass or damage to buildings can be caused by. Your right answer is shock waves produced by supersonic aircraft. Option B. Atoms having the same mass number but different atomic number are known as. Your right answer is isobar. Option D. Sucrose occur naturally in. Your right answer is sugarcane. Option D. If iodine is added to peeled potato, then it will turn. Your right answer is black. Option B. BRICS Economic Research Annual Award was instituted by. Your right answer is Exim Bank. Option A. Astronomers have recently discovered evidence of abundant water-bearing mineral on the surface of which near Earth asteroid? Your right answer is 101955 Bennu. Option B. What does a scalar quantity have? Your right answer is only magnitude. Option A. What is the commercial unit of electrical energy consumed? Your right answer is kilowatt hour. Option A. Which former Indian Prime Minister was Deputy Prime Minister under Morarji Desai? Your right answer is Charan Singh. Option B. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day.